Alright, so we're going to take a look at adding, subtracting fractions. So just a really quick one, because this should be a review for you guys. So getting the common denominator is your key. That's the bottom number. So as long as the bottom number is the same, you can add or subtract the top numbers without any issue. I'm just sticking with some fractions that you'd be familiar with working with construction. So halves, eighths, 16ths, 64ths, seconds, things like that. So we have 1/2 plus 1/16. So we got to get the bottom number here. Let me just get you a different color. We got to get that bottom number to be the same. So in this case, and in any case, you're going to want to make it go up. With these kind of numbers here, halves, 16ths, eighths, you're just going to be multiplying by 2, 4, 8, 16 to get that number. So in this case here, to make these two the same, we're going to bring the 2 up to the 16. So to get from 2 to 16, we have to multiply by 8. So that means we multiply 2 by 8, we get 16. We also multiply the top number by 8, and so we do 1 times 8 and get 8. So now we have 8/16 plus 1/16, and when we add those two top numbers up only the top numbers, we add those up, 8 plus 1 is 9, and you get 9/16. Don't add the bottom numbers, just the top numbers. The next case here, we have 7/8 plus 3/4. So again, this is our biggest number, so we got to get the 4 to look like the 8. To do that, we just multiply it by 2. We multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. So we're going to do the same to the top. So we have 7/8 plus 2 times 3 is 6, 6/8, 7/8 and 6/8. So 7 and 6, we add those up, we get 13/8. So this would be an improper fraction. If we wanted to get it down to a proper fraction, we'd say this is a division. So 8 goes into 13 once and has a 5 remainder. So we'd have 1 and 5/8. Now, subtraction is done exactly the same. We get that base number, the denominator, and we make them the same. So in this case, we got to make the 2 look like the 8. So we're going to multiply that by 4. 2 times 4, 1 times 4 as well. So we have 5/8 minus 4/8. And we're left with 1/8 when we subtract 5 and 4 from 5. So again, common denominator, that bottom number's got to be the same, and then just add or subtract the top two numbers.